How low or high can Bitcoin go this month? To answer this question, come with me to the monthly time frame. You would agree with me that signals on the monthly time frame are stronger than signals on the lower time frame. So here, what we have, we can see that previously the 19,500 level or zone has been our strongest support level for Bitcoin. Recently, you can see that these monthly candles held multiple times at this level before this bearish engulfing candle pattern here formed, which pushed the price down below the 15,400 level. If I zoom this in here, we can see that a new monthly candle pattern is forming here. But the question is, where are we headed? This month is a very critical month, and we are going to be watching it to see how it plays out. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to know what we think as this plays out. Okay, now there are two important things that are most likely going to happen. One of them being that this new monthly candle that is forming here could push us back right to the 19,500 level, and if that happens, we could see the price of Bitcoin ranging within that level for some time before probably pushing up to the 20,000 level or 21,000 level. That is a possibility. Or we could see this new monthly candle pattern here drop to the 13,700 level. Now the 13,700 level is our next possible market structure that could hold the impending free fall of the price of Bitcoin. Why do I call this a free fall? Because there are no strong market structures here that could hold the price of Bitcoin from falling down to the 13,700 level, right? Because you can see here, if we look at the chart structure here, we can see that there's no arguing the fact that this is the next zone here. Okay, so this is the next zone that could hold the price of Bitcoin, and we don't have any strong market structure. When I say that, I mean that we don't have any strong support level that could hold the price of Bitcoin. So we could say that Bitcoin is simply hanging on a very shaky ground right here. If we have any kind of bad news like we've been having in the past weeks, if any kind of news like the FTX kind of news breaks out this month, we could have Bitcoin fall freely to the 13,700. But the question is, would this then be the bottom, right? A lot of people have been talking about the Bitcoin bottom. Would this level be the Bitcoin bottom? Well, I don't think so. If we break that level, we could still drop down to the 10,000 level. There are different levels we could still drop down to. Okay, so I might be doing more videos in this regard. So this month is very pregnant with surprises, right? We could have any of these surprises happening this month, and even towards the first month of the new year, right? In our previous 3 videos, we've been predicting the price of Bitcoin, and we've been spot on. If you would want to watch those videos, they would be linked in the description of this video. In the last of the series, we did predict that Bitcoin was going to hit the 17,500 level, and that's what we're waiting for. And I remember very vividly that we did say that before it hits the 17,500 level, that it could drop to the 16,800 or 900 level before testing the 17,500 level, right? So in the past few days, we did see Bitcoin drop to the 16,800 level, and now it is right back up to the 17,500 level. It did push as high as 17,360. In a few days from now, we could still see it touch that level. At least that's what I think. Not financial advice. Make sure you do personal research before you part with your money. So this is it for this video. This is where it's happening. This is Briggs LBs, and it's your guy Ken signing off.